AI is a field which is concerned with building computers and machine which can mimic human intelligence. Like they can actually reason, think, learn and act on those analysis. And AI systems are used where data is so huge that us weak humans cannot even analyze. And AI, it is very broad field which encompasses computer science, data analysis, stats, linguistics, philosophy, and even psychology. In short, it encompasses everything else. Operational use of AI is analyzing your data and making predictions what things you could choose and recommending those things to you, categorizing different things according to use for you, and also making searches faster and more accurate. Basically, AI helps in personalizing everything according to your needs. So it becomes easier to deliver things to you which you wanted. So that was artificial intelligence according to my intelligence. And thank you so much for bearing me this long. Bye.